The controls. She is accompanied by Brett Lent.
That's the one we're standing in.
Staff Sergeant Christopher McKnight from Alaska. Now watch how little room this big jet needs to get turned around. Keep watching. Keep watching. Guy at a farm over there just fell off his tractor. Keep watching. Keep watching. Don't be worried. Don't be worried. He's gonna make it. Round and round he goes. Is that not impressive?
That's not Canada.
Same as U.S. He said we got 4 of them. That's not ours.
That's the state.
That's not Canadian. He said we got 4.
Reagan has complete control of that aircraft, as you can see.
Oh.
She's turning down left and setting up to land right here. Yes, it took off from London, but you are going to see it land here and take off again, because it doesn't need very much runway. We've got just under a nautical mile here. To land, this jet doesn't need less than half of it. As short as 1,500 feet to get all of that energy, all of that weight, all of those tons of flying machine stopped. So watch now as Megan gets it done.
You see this? That's crazy. Watch the size of that. No. What a massive broom bit.
Lining up. Rapid, reliable, flexible, strategic tactical C-17s have what it takes to transport large amount of passengers and equipment over long distances anywhere. Watch how little runway is needed. Down. Reverse thrusters on. Brakes on.
That's the half the runway for that. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Feet is all they need. And they don't need much to take off either.